Yo, what up? Pupunta kami ng Cloud9. Kasama ko si paring Richard.
Let's go.
Let's go, bayaw.
Lami kaayo.
First time ko mag-surf dito sa Cloud9. Yup.
Okay, let's go.
Magandang araw mga uncle.
Magandang araw mga idol.
If you look at this side, the board will follow your right. Always put your foot in the middle of the board. If you put it here, you can use to balance.
Talaga? Yan. Si Kuya Jay, oh, inasista ako mag-surf. Hanapin nyo lang si Kuya Jay, ah. RJ, salamat, ah. Maraming salamat.
Welcome sir sa atin.
Let's go. Tapos din. Sabay Yossi.